overnight and going into our Saturday. The good news, though, is that we're going to see a big cool down. It was warm, it was humid, kind of the ingredients necessary for an unstable air mass. Most of our storms so far today have been removed to the North Shore, more so north central Louisiana, southwestern and central Mississippi, and we have been kind of the jumping off point for a lot of those storms. Did see some earlier severe storms right along the state line this morning and then kind of settled. We've had some thunderstorms rolling through, all below severe limits, though that could change later on into the night. Now, most of our, interesting enough, most of our high resolution models indicate a fairly quiet period for the next several hours. Notice very limited rainfall, most everything north or well to the west of us. But as we get after midnight, we start to see a few more of these kind of rogue storms bubbling up. Then we'll be watching a line of storms setting up out to our west, probably before daybreak. Then through our Saturday morning and early afternoon, that line moves on through with a cold front and a sharp drop in temperatures on the way by Saturday night and heading into Sunday and for the foreseeable future. So tonight into tomorrow morning, gusty winds and isolated tornado are certainly possible. Also, some isolated downpours could lead to heavy rain. Just stay with WWL for the very latest. We'll be tracking this all night. We are still under a slight level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms through tomorrow morning, as well as the chance of, as I'd mentioned, a few isolated downpours, so the flood watch remains in effect until early tomorrow morning. Here's what's going on. What we're waiting to see move our way is this feature. This is an upper level low. This is associated with our cold front, and we call this kind of fast moving area of winds a low level jet stream. What that basically means is you've got faster moving winds just above the surface. As that approaches, it kind of enhances your areas of severe weather. So as that gets closer to us overnight and into early tomorrow, I think that may be the best chance of seeing severe weather. Storm Prediction Center is saying in the next several hours, probably not going to need a tornado watch, but later on tonight, there will likely be one. So far today, most of our storms have been removed to the north, but that will start changing later on. Here is the colder air on the back side of that front, and we're in store for a sharp drop in our temperatures, which, if you like the colder air, looks like it's going to hang around for a while. Strong upper level trough brings in that colder air starting late Saturday, more so Sunday, and an even colder air mass with a much deeper upper jet stream moves in by the end of next week into the following weekend. So the cold air is going to be with us for a while. Weather impact alert for our Saturday, not really necessary for Sunday, but it is going to be a colder day after being in the 80s and 70s tomorrow, and then we remain chilly going into next week. Look at Friday morning, lows on the North Shore back to the 20s.